हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन योर टैली क्लास। स्टूडेंट्स, टैली में आज हम नया टॉपिक स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, रेफरेंस एडजस्टमेंट। इसमें हमने क्या करना है, जैसे हम सेल्स इनवॉइसिंग और परचेज इनवॉइसिंग में न्यू रेफरेंसेस डालते हैं, तो उनकी आगे आप पेमेंट्स के लिए एडजस्टमेंट कैसे करें। फॉर इंस्टांस, लेट्स टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ फर्स्टली विद द परचेज वाउचर। गो टू इन्वेंटरी वाउचर्स, देन press F9, press F9. Invoice number, for example, and consider the date, it's 1st of May. That means we need to make the payment after 1st of May. Party name is, let's create a new party. Just for identification purpose, I am marking CR for credit under sundry creditors. And yes, for reference adjustment, you just need to activate this feature, maintain balances bill by bill, yes, and just save by pressing Ctrl A. Purchase ledger, just select purchase ledger because we have already created items. Suppose we selected computer and 5 PCs at the rate of 20,000 we are purchasing, and second item, it's laptop for 30,000. Okay, and total amount comes to 4 lakh. Now this we need to make the payment of this party Sakshi. How will we make the payment? And this 4 lakh rupees, you just need to press F5 to make the payment because creditors are always getting paid. And you can see the payment voucher is showing in a single entry format. What will you do? Just press F12 for configuration. F12 is a configuration option that whenever you press F12, which screen is opening basically in the tally, it only shows the configuration of that particular screen. Use single entry mode? No. And use debit credit instead of do and buy? Yes. These two features I just activated, use single entry no and debit credit yes, and I just pressed Ctrl A to save. So first of all, just let's check the voucher date. Yes, because अगर फर्स्ट मे की परचेज है तो हम पेमेंट फर्स्ट मे के बाद ही कर सकते हैं या फिर सेम पे कर सकते हैं. Let's suppose I'm making the payment in the month of June. So I just pressed F2 and I just changed the voucher date to 1st June. In debit side, just select the party Sakshi. When I will press enter and 4 lakh, it's showing amount. I just pressed 4 lakh. Yes, 4 lakh पे enter press करते ही what the screen will show, bill wise reference adjustment. It automatically jumps to against reference, and by pressing enter you can see it's pending bills. S8 is a pending bill reference and this one is your total amount. Just press enter and against reference paid, and it's credit. In credit you may select cash or bank through which any source you are making payment. I just select cash. Cash never shows a negative balance. What I'm going to do is just opening the cash ledger by pressing Ctrl Enter and feeding its opening balance. Suppose it's 10 lakh so that I could easily make the payments. In narration you just mention the payment made to party's name. Okay. Against reference. This one is mandatory. Against reference S8 by cash. Press enter and save. Furthermore, in the first video, I am going to tell you reference adjustment with the help of purchase and payment, and in second video, I will tell you sales and receipt. Okay. Again, let's take another example. Press F9, purchase voucher, and invoice number is S9. Party name, suppose I'm just taking the party name which already created, that is Mega Mart Credit. Purchase as a purchase. Silk cloth, no, just take the electronic items. Pen drive I'm having in stock 10 pieces. Select 5 pieces, 700 per piece. Another item, it's webcam. I have 5 pieces in my stock, so I can take 3 pieces. But for the purchase purpose, you can take the amount of quantity that you need. You can take 10, 15, 20 as per your requirement. But in case of sale, you just need to check out your stock. 2000 is your purchase rate. Save this. And total bill comes to 9500. Just read the narration. Amount being goods purchased. Okay. Being goods purchased from Mega Mart by bill number S9 save. In context of payment, press F5 and in debit just select party's name Mega Mart. अब मैंने जैसे 9500 का परचेज किया है, लेकिन इसका बैलेंस मोर देन 5 लाख दिखा रहा है बिकॉज इसके पास एक अर्लियर परचेज भी हुई है. So if I need to make the payment of whole amount, what will I do? I will just feed the complete amount which the software is showing, that is 509500, and you will select against reference. In against reference, you will just select both the bills, first and second, pending bill. अगर आपने बिल डाला हुआ है तो ये ऑटोमेटिक शो करेगा पेंडिंग बिल में, and credit में I'm just taking cash. And narration, being amount paid, being amount paid to Mega Mart against bill number Now we have two references, A02 and S9 by cash. Fine. अब एक परचेज हम करके देखते हैं कोई भी फिक्स्ड एसेट की जर्नल वाउचर में. अब एक में हम रेफरेंस नंबर डालेंगे और एक में नहीं डालेंगे. F7. If you are purchasing any fixed asset on credit, either you can feed in purchase voucher F9 or in F7. But what's the difference between F9 and F7? You can feed the purchase entries in both the vouchers, but the difference is the purchase voucher, either it is in invoice mode or it is in accounting mode. It directly get affects with the stock item. So our fixed assets and current assets are not the part of your stock that increase your purchases. Your assets are directly connected with your balance sheet. So that's why now we will use journal voucher to purchase your fixed asset in credit terms. So if you are purchasing your fixed asset, what will you do? डेबिट योर फिक्स्ड एसेट, प्रेस ऑल्ट सी, फर्नीचर, इसमें बनाना है इसको अंडर फिक्स्ड एसेट, सेव, सपोज इट्स 20,000 एंड पार्टी आई कैन सिलेक्ट जिसका बैलेंस नील है, मेगा मार्ट का नील है और इस पार्टी का भी नील है। ओके, मेगा मार्ट ले लेते हैं। क्रेडिटर का ऑलवेज क्रेडिट बैलेंस होता है और यहाँ पे बड़े ध्यान से देखेंगे 20,000 है, एंटर प्रेस किया, यहाँ पे न्यू रेफरेंस लिया, यहाँ आप एक नया बिल डाल सकते हैं। कैसे? अब जैसे मेगा मार्ट है तो मैंने इसका बिल रेफरेंस लिया ये, लेकिन आप इसको जैसे दो पार्ट्स में कर सकते हैं ना कि 20,000 में 10,000 का तो मैंने बिल काट के दिया और बाकी है तो क्रेडिट पे ही, बट ऑन अकाउंट, यानी कि इसका बिल हमने नहीं काटा, बट ये जो 10,000 है ये आपका क्रेडिट में शो करेगा। नरेशन में being furniture purchased, being furniture purchased Mega Mart, वाइट बिल नंबर, नरेशन में आप शो करेंगे वाइट बिल नंबर, और बाकी जैसे ओन अकाउंट है उसको मेंशन करने की नीड नहीं है। एंड प्रेस एंटर एंड सेव। नाउ हाउ विल यू मेक द पेमेंट? प्रेस F5, डेबिट करेंगे इधर से पार्टी लाइक मेगा मार्ट। अब देखो 20,000 है, मुझे पूरे अमाउंट की पेमेंट करनी है, 20,000 और इधर से अगेंस्ट रेफरेंस एंटर। अब पेंडिंग बिल में तो 10 शो कर रहा है बिकॉज हमने बिल एक का ही डाला था, और जो बाकी है अगेंस्ट रेफरेंस वो किस में जाएगा? ऑन अकाउंट। रेफरेंस में हमेशा वही आता है जब आपने बिल डाला हो, अगर बिल नहीं डाला होगा तो वो ऑन अकाउंट में जाएगा। सिलेक्ट ऑन अकाउंट, rest of the amount is 10,000, you are making the payment through cash or bank. Now you can simultaneously check that your cash is getting decreased. Earlier I just withdrew 10 lakh in opening balance, and as per I'm just making the payments is just decreasing the cash amount, it comes to 70,500. I have made the payment more than it's 8 lakh, 8,50,000, and narration being payment made to Mega Mart against reference MP01, just save, because you don't need to mention own account in your narration, it's obviously showing in your voucher. Now just check out your details, go to display and account book and ledger, Mega Mart, purchase, payment, journal, payment. Mega Mart is your creditor, so whatever you will purchase it will show in credit, और जितना आपने इससे पेमेंट किया हुआ है it will show in debit. So पार्टी का अकाउंट क्या है? नील with the closing balance. Let's check another party. अभी इसका बिल बैलेंस क्या है? नील, because अभी जून का दिखा रहा है. By pressing Alt F2 just delete the dates. May purchase and June payment 4 lakh and 4 lakh. So this was your purchase and payment. In next video I'll tell you sale and receiving. One more option that you can check in Daybook. Daybook is your common platform to check your all the entries, whether it is in accounting or invoicing mode. In Daybook you can see only June month entries are showing. Press Alt F2 and delete and delete. See, from April to June you can see all the entries. So connect in another video.